Welcome to our exploration of the unique Dead Sea. Nestled between Jordan, Israel, and the West Bank, this salt lake has captivated travelers and scholars for centuries. Discover why it attracts millions yearly, from its buoyancy to its therapeutic properties. The Dead Sea offers an unforgettable experience. Here in this unforgiving desert lies a natural phenomenon. The Dead Sea, with its high salt concentration, has a density far exceeding ordinary seawater. This allows visitors to experience weightlessness, effortlessly floating. Even non-buoyant will bob like corks. The allure of the Dead Sea extends beyond buoyancy. Its mineral-rich waters and mud are renowned for therapeutic properties. People seek relief from ailments like psoriasis, arthritis, and respiratory issues. The high concentration of magnesium, potassium, and bromide creates a unique environment for healing and rejuvenation. Positioned at the lowest point on Earth, 430 meters below sea level, the Dead Sea has a unique microclimate. The air is richer in oxygen due to increased atmospheric pressure. Combined with reduced UV radiation, it's perfect for sunbathing and health benefits. The Dead Sea region is a place where time seems to stand still. Steeped in religious and historical significance, the Dead Sea region is a silent witness to millennia of history. Towering above the lake, the ruins of Masada witnessed a legendary siege. The Qumran Caves, where the Dead Sea Scrolls were discovered, offer a glimpse into ancient lives. The Dead Sea landscape is stark yet captivating. Dramatic cliffs and rolling hills in ochre and gold provide a breathtaking backdrop. Salt formations, sculpted by desert winds, rise like natural works of art. This landscape speaks to the soul, a testament to nature's power. The Dead Sea's mineral wealth extends beyond its waters. For centuries, its mud and salt have been prized for their cosmetic and medicinal properties. Today, a thriving industry offers a wide array of skincare products infused with these potent minerals. While the Dead Sea is a major draw, the region offers many opportunities for adventure. From the rugged canyons to the serene oasis of Ein Gedi, hike through ancient wadis, embark on a desert safari, or lose yourself in this unique ecosystem. Despite its remote location, the Dead Sea is surprisingly accessible. Situated near major cities like Jerusalem, Amman, and Tel Aviv, it attracts both local and international tourists. Well-maintained roads and regular transport ensure a seamless journey. This remarkable body of water faces an uncertain future. Decades of water diversion and mineral extraction have caused the Dead Sea to shrink rapidly. Sinkholes now dot the landscape, a stark reminder of this unique ecosystem's fragility. The Dead Sea's plight calls us to protect and preserve our planet's precious resources. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Dead Sea. From its remarkable buoyancy and therapeutic properties to its ancient history and breathtaking landscapes, the Dead Sea leaves a lasting impression. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel insights.